dead. He's dead. He's dead.
Sure?
Russ with the yoke. Little guy.
Solutions arise.
Not too bad. Yeah, I saw the front end first, and that's why I said, you know, too mean.
Cruel but clear life.
But
Death
yeah,
on a dying day. Follow through.
female.
Female.
Chosen course.
Doesn't look too old.
The wheels are in motion with an ocean of deafening force.
Russ man.
And
Eric
the
dude,
way
pro collar.
that the skeleton
Crow's Nest calls, right?
makes me weak at my knees.
Russ needs
Just
to
like I am my
30. Oh yeah, he's real big.
afraid of
Alright, first yoke for myself and also the first yoke of Gameyoutdoors. That makes one fox and one coyote so far. Eric called it in with his rabbit squealer and coming along the hedgerow, and it stopped at about probably 38 or 40 yards, and the double out buckshot took it down on the first shot. Didn't die like as quick as we expected, so we put one more in it, and it died maybe just 10 feet in the hedgerow here. It's got some mange on it, so it's not going to make a good quality pelt, but I'll probably do a skull mount since it's my first coyote. It's maybe a 1.5 or 2-year-old female. It's pretty small, but at least it gets us on the board. So stay tuned. We're going to go out to another spot later tonight and see if we can double up.